Good morning, good day, good evening, good night, depending on your time zone. Mama Suji right here at the site, Olepolos village. Ambitious project of Mama Suji. So today I'm here and it's a good morning because the sun is shining nicely. Though it's still cold. This place is windy, especially after removing what we had here. All those the timbers that we had here, now they are being kept at that place, one corner. So we prepare the compound for other things. And also you can see the glass fixing on the windows continues. So we are on that wing. We are still in wing A, but on that face. Yeah. And also we have the welder right there. Now what he's doing now is to weld the doors. Let me just stand and walk around. To weld the stand, the doors for the bathroom, the washrooms, or bathroom if you may. So this is what's going on. This place is now being cleared nicely. So this is what we have. And up here you can see is done 3 windows already. The ones for the bathrooms will have to wait a bit. I think they didn't have them in stock, but they'll finally come. So here we are. Here we are. On this side you can see that's the door now for the bathroom. And then you can see this, the ladder. And okay. Oh, hiyo ndio design umeweka? Okay. Sikio ni kubwa sana ama? Iko sawa? Iko sawa? Okay. So this is our washroom door for this wing A. For the 3-bedroom unit we have, he's going to make 3 doors. For the 2, he's going to make 2. And for the 1, he's going to just make 1. So this is what's happening here. This is how this is arranged. Sasa amuku nielewa kabisa nyinyi. Sema hizi tudogo mweke pale. Ama hizi mnaona zinaweza jenga? Hizi tudogo. Oh, zinawekwa hapo. Oh. Okay. Alafu sasa hizi zingine, hizi za hizi mtapanga, mtaweka juu hivi. Mtaweka hivi. Side yake wapi? No, nasema hizo. Ama muweke kitu hivi, hivi. Ingine simame ndio. Isiende hivi. Naona hapa. Here. Ukiweka pale ka kijiti pale, ingine hapo, ingine hapa. Sasa ndio zisikuje huku. So mnaweka 3, zisimame hivi. Kisamama sasa mkiweka zina nini tu. Zikae hivyo. So mtachukua ni sururu ama nini? Hiyo kitu ya kutoa mchanga ndio ingia, weke post. Just 2, 3.
Hapa moja.
Na hapo. Nisikuje huku. Oh, sawa. Vile mtaona. Oh, ulikuwa unasema unafikiria this one? Hizi. Hizo zitaweka tu juu ya nini zingine. Zitatolewa tu hapo zikifanya hiyo koroga, si ndio? Lakini zinakuwa ndio mwisho. Hata hizo trappers mtaona vile mtaweka. Ndio. Hata kama ni Lakini hapa siku anataka iwekwe kitu hiyo. Kutoka hapo ilikuwa ibaki. Huku hapa unajua hii yote itatengenezwa hizi. So okay. That is that. Yeah. So that is how it's happening. So it's kind of, yes, almost finished one. That is the ladder for, yeah. I got annoyed with him because that work was supposed to be done on Saturday. Then you come and you find nothing has been done and you're like, what? What did we agree on? Huh? And then he sends somebody at 9. Then he comes at 9:30. That is why I'm annoyed with him. Not even talking, because that is not right. Okay. So this is how our compound now looks like. It's going to open up nicely, and then now when we bring the tractor to do this work, clean here, it will now look marvelous. That is how it is. Continue watching. So this is how this side looks like. Now they moved to the other side because they did not cut this, the ones for here. They'll have to go back to the workshop in order for them to cut them again. Hey, it is still cold, though it's almost 1 p.m. See now these people here, what they've done. They've erected that. Sasa imesimama vizuri. Pita ukisikia engineer akikuambia inachimbwa, wewe fuata tu hiyo. Kama wewe engineer. Sasa sio. This. Okay. So this is how the arrangement is going. It's looking good now. Looking good. Okay. So let's count these ones. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let me try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 times 2, that makes it 40. So these are the answer. One, two, three. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 40. 30 plus 10 makes it 40. I needed 48. So that means he has brought less 10. No, less 8. So we'll have to call him. Let's come. For the few who are here, there, she has brought lunch. And others have gone to eat outside. Today we were had a total of 8 workers. So now let me see what has been done at the back. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. This side. How many? It's only one. It's only done one. I wonder why it has taken so long. Because of storytelling, maybe. So that's how it is. They've done that one there. Okay? Yeah. So that's how things are going here. This is how it looks like now. Currently, this is how it looks like at 3 p.m. East Africa time here in Kenya. The clouds are forming. You can see it's forming. Today it's like it will rain because it has been hot and cold, hot and cold, meaning anytime we can have the rain. Yeah. Our dogs are also coming out nicely. You can see coming out nicely. Si ni ukweli, umewambia ukweli tu. Umewambia ukweli. Yeah. So it's talking of other people looking for houses. Our houses are not yet ready. Not yet. Yeah. Not yet. So hapo ndio bado inawekwa kioo, hakuna flat unaweka. Oh, ndio sababu zilikuwa mingi. You know, nilikuwa nashindwa hizi vitu 75 something. Unatumia tu kuliko nini? Peke yake. Oh, hiyo ni niliona inatoka lakini hiyo ni itakuwa haitakuwa inaanguka. Hii ni strong kabisa. Na so unajua imenikula pesa mingi. Haikuwa tofauti sana. Wewe acha. Naachana na kitu kama 100. Na hebu 100 multiply na 70. That's 7,000. We. Nilishindwa. Why? Nikasema okay. Yeah, so it's looking good. What? I don't know. Where? Hey, fuliza. There's nothing like that in Kizungu. In English. Fulizia. What is that? I don't know. No. I have no idea. That Sheng, that young people language, I don't know it. Now it looks more organized, as you can see. The compound looks a bit organized. So now this former gate also is getting out of place. You can see I want it I want its frame to be removed, and together with that one there, that's what's part of the gate. Yeah, one part, the other part is right there, and the door. And yeah, so that's what is going on. Continue watching. Our door, this is how it looks like for the washroom. So what is left is the glass, and then we shall be home and dry. Continue watching. Now this is how it looks like. They've done this bit. They've removed the ladder, and this is how now it looks like. They are going to use this for another place. All this side also. The glasses have been fixed on the windows, as you can see. So what is left is cleaning and filling in these holes, and then we remove this ladder. This side was done, and I think we are doing well. We are doing well in terms of minor finishes. Yeah, and then we shall start on the cleaning. Yeah. So those are the activities of today. They are now cleaning themselves. They want to go. So, see, another door is going to be fixed in one of the washroom, the master bedroom. Yeah, so carrying it, he's going to fix them. So that guy is continuing with that. The others are washing. And here, this is how it is. Can see. It is shining, but it's a bit chilly. So that's why I had to put on my sweater. He's sharpening his. What has he done? Oh, he has done one window up there, filling the glasses. And then this was major, and this is how it's done, but well, hii mnanichezea nyinyi. Hii gate kwani mnafanyaje? Niliwaambia. Sasa aje? Si ndio hii inaenda? It is going. Huh? Mimi nikiwaambia kitu amsikii? Haiko sawa sababu ni mbele is okay. Mbele is okay, but now here itafunga, na ikifunga sasa meaning I can't open this gate. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So I was just inspecting that, and then let me see here. Here things are like that. Okay. So I think I want to close this vlog. Okay. I want to wish you a very peaceful evening and a good night full of God's blessings. Bye.